Welcome back. In the last video, we learned how to slice and search strings. In this video, we cover 3 essential tips that will make your code look professional. Let's start with comments. Sometimes you want to write notes in your code for yourself or other developers. Python has a special symbol that tells it to completely ignore a line. This is the hash symbol, also called the pound symbol in some countries. Let's open our editor and write, #this is a comment. Python will ignore this. Print. Hello world. Run the program. The output is hello world. Notice that the comment line did not run or print anything. Comments are perfect for documenting how complex parts of your code work. Second, let's look at quotes. In Python, you can define a string using double quotes or single quotes. Let's write name equals Python. Name equals Python. Both definitions are exactly the same. But what if you want to include actual quotation marks inside your text? For example, what if you want to print, he said, Python is awesome. If you wrap the whole sentence in double quotes, Python gets confused because it thinks the string ends early. To solve this, we can wrap the outer string in single quotes and use double quotes inside. Let's write message equals. He said, Python is awesome. Print. Message. Run the program. The output is. He said, Python is awesome. This prints perfectly because the outer single quotes and inner double quotes don't clash. Third, what if we must use the same quote type or want special layouts? We use escape characters. An escape character is a backslash, which tells Python, treat the next character as raw text, not code. Let's write quote equals. She said, backslash Python is easy, backslash. Print. Quote. Run the program. The output is. She said, Python is easy. The backslash before the quote symbols prevented Python from thinking the string ended there. We also use backslash for special commands. For instance, \n creates a new line, and \t creates a tab space. Let's write layout equals line 1 \n \tline 2. Print. Layout. Run the program. The output shows line 1, followed by an indented line 2 on the next line. And if you ever want to print an actual backslash character itself, you just write 2 backslashes. Let's write path equals folder \\images \\/ logo.png. Print. Path. Running this prints folder \images \logo.png. Using escape characters gives you complete control over your string layout. Now, let's test your understanding of comments, quotes, and escape characters with 3 quick challenges. Look at this first code, #print, hello. Print. World. If we run this program, what is the output? Option A, Hello world. Option B, world. Pause the video if you need time to think. Ready? The answer is option B, world. Because the line printing hello starts with a hash symbol, making it a comment that Python completely ignores. Now for the second challenge, message equals. It's backslash, find backslash. What will this print? Option A, it's fine. Option B, it's backslash, find backslash. Take a moment to decide. Ready? The answer is option A, it's fine. The backslashes escape the double quotes around fine, letting them print as text without crashing the code. Here is our final challenge, print A backslash and B backslash and C. What is the layout of the output? Option A, B, and C printed on the same line. Option B, A, B, and C printed on 3 separate lines. Pause the video and make your choice. Ready? The answer is option B, A, B, and C printed on 3 separate lines. Each backslash n inserts a new line instruction, forcing the next character to start on the line below. Excellent job! You now know how to write comments, manage double and single quotes, and use escape characters. In the next video, we'll learn about f-strings and formatted outputs. Let's keep going.